Okay, here we are with the boxing line, and I decided to jump in because I thought that these guys were going too slow. So I spent about half an hour doing this myself and doing a bunch of stuff. So we are streamlining this process a little bit, and we're going to experiment with running this with two people on the sides, and we're going to just a couple of really tiny changes first to see if we can keep the machine running at high speed, but also keep up with everything that's going on in the background. So the first thing that I noticed over here while I was doing this, so this is not level, so the box crashing with the scale. That's pretty irritating. So we're going to go ahead and fix that right now. So we got two guys in there right now. The J4 double LP. As soon as building the boxes and stacking, and Mia is taking them out of the cooling tower. So we call it a cooling tower. So, yes, she's taking out of the cooling tower and into the box. So we have constant motion. We're not getting bogged down here. And most importantly, we're not slowing the machine down. It's running at the same speed it was before. This is right around 32 parts per minute, which is pretty great for double LP. See the jacket, you'll be able to still just put one person down here.